Hello, and welcome to the channel where today we are going to show you how to set a Maxthon as your default browser on your mobile device. This video will walk you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. First, open the Maxthon browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, in the Settings menu, find the option that says Set Default Browser and tap on it to proceed to the system-level settings. Then click onto Settings. Next, your device will take you into the main settings of your phone, where you can manage apps and defaults. Then, tap on the option that says Browser App to bring up a list of all the browsers installed on your phone. After that, scroll through the list and find Maxthon and select it so that your system recognizes it as the default browser for all web links and internet tasks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.